Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to our channel, guys. So today's episode, well, I am going to make some turon, which is two variety of turon, because I have here the kamote or sweet potatoes and also the banana. Let's brush it, all of them first. And so, when you boil the kamote, it's good when it's just a little bit burned underneath, like really dry. So that way your kamote is not soggy and very sticky. Yung mabok sa Bisaya. I am now boiling the kamote and I'm going to cook some pot stickers for our lunch today. This is just easy because I am just going to follow the instruction, guys. And it's always good to have something easy to cook sometimes when you don't have time. So this is really quick. Ayan, lalagyan natin siya ng water. And then, around 1 cup of water, just enough to cover the pot stickers. And then, we're going to let this dry. Takpan natin around 10 minutes. As you can see, our kamote is about done. Pot stickers is also dry. Time to put some oil to fry it. Perfect. Ayan. Our pot stickers look so good, and of course this is yummy.
All right.
Hi, honey.
Hello.
This wrapper. Okay, this is all good. So, ayan guys, ito yung ating wrapper na gagamitin. Okay, so it's the same with lumpia, lumpiang Shanghai, lumpia vegetables. Now we're going to make turon, which is the dessert. It's easy to break this wrapper. It's really thin, so just take your time. I already have one here. Probably 6 or 8 for the sweet potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after this, we need to put this in the plastic bag because we don't want this to get dry because it's gonna be crunchy and you can't use it anymore. Right? Like this. Seal it really good. So next is we're going to work on our banana. So we can make 2 turon in 1 banana. This is one of my favorite. Okay. I don't want to see it. Let's do it like that, Tina. Oh yeah. Ayan. See, that's really tight. So now we have vanilla. Just a little bit of vanilla to have a little bit of flavoring. Like half a teaspoon. Ayan. If you have ube flavor, that's also good. Some sugar. Same thing lang po. Yan. This is how you wrap it. That way you'll get the nicest and tight. There you go. Isn't it pretty? Right? Okay, last one. Simutin natin, sayang. Not good if we waste any food. Because there's a lot of people starving and we are wasting, so it's just not good. Right? So, as much as we can, save our food. And just press it like that. So this is the perfect menu for kamote, and we'll see later. I wish I would have known this before because this is also good for the business, okay? So let's cook first the kamote. There you go, almost there. What we want is golden brown. That's perfect right there. Now we have to put this on this paper towel so we can get rid of this excess oil. Nice. Okay. So now let's put our banana. Banana and kamote or sweet potatoes. Okay guys, time to eat. So, yan po yung laman. Kasi maganda rin to sa business. So good. Because not too sweet. There's a little bit of saltiness. Napakasarap niya. Wow, another menu or another dish or another type of cooking for kamote or sweet potatoes na hindi marami sa atin nakakaalam.